morning. This is Christian Adama. I'm actually doing this presentation today. This is actually my first YouTube Live. I am used to Facebook Live and Periscope, and this is my actual first Facebook Live, YouTube Live. So, and my topic today is about the top 3 reasons why people don't buy life insurance. Top 3 reasons why people don't buy life insurance, and the reason why I'm doing this because I recently make a move. I've been in the insurance industry since 2014, and I've been selling supplemental insurance, and I just recently switched to life insurance and retirement planning. So I've been going forth and back and learning about why people who say they love their family more than anything else, they are not protecting their family in case of um, premature death, for instance, right? So I've been doing my research and I found there's many reasons why people don't buy life insurance. And today I'm gonna talk about the top 3 reasons why people don't buy life insurance. First of all, people don't buy life insurance because they think it's too expensive. 79% of people who are likely to buy life insurance, they say they will likely buy life insurance, but they don't because they think it's too expensive. And most people just want to be able to go online and browse about life insurance and find different course and compare course so they can save money on it. But life insurance is not sold online. You have to actually sit down with an agent and go through a process that some people think is too long. So that's the reason why people don't actually buy life insurance. That's the reason why some people don't buy life insurance. And also, um, like they mentioned, they think it's too expensive, but that is a lack of knowledge because they don't have the right information. If you don't have the right information, then you think life insurance is too expensive. So, what to do about that? The answer is I'm here to tell you that life insurance doesn't have to be expensive. Life insurance is not expensive. It's one of the most important thing that we need to put in place as a responsible family people, right? Because no matter how, you have people who depend on you. Even if you don't have children, you still have people who depend on you. You have your parent that put so much on you, and that is something that is uncertain. Nobody know when it's gonna happen. So we need to be prepared. It's all about planning. Life insurance it's all about planning. So the reason why it's not being sold online, it's a critical. It's something really important, something that affects the people that you will leave behind. You just don't want to go online and purchase and not knowing anything about it. That's why it's so important that you sit down with an actual agent before you purchase a life insurance policy. So if people don't you don't sit down with an agent to go through it, then you think it's so expensive. But I'm here to tell you there's a different type of life insurance, and the least expensive of all life insurance is term insurance. So if you think life insurance is too expensive because you're not, that's the reason why you're not buying it. So I'm here to tell you that you have different options, and you can actually start with a term policy, which is generally the least expensive. You buy life insurance from $20 a month, $30 a month, $50 a month. So it doesn't have to be expensive. You don't have to go with the most expensive one. So when you sit down with an agent and the cost is your problem, you need to tell them you just want a term. term insurance is a pure insurance. Just give you an insurance, just like a car insurance, the same one you have car insurance on your car. It's a pure insurance. If you have any accident, the insurance company is gonna pay. If you don't have anything, they're not gonna pay. So term insurance come with temporary. There's a term means it's a temporary for a certain period of time. So when you don't have enough money to actually get started yet, you can actually start with a term policy, and a term policy can cost you as low as $15, $20, depending on on your age and how much death benefit you want. And term give you possibility down the road when your income get better to convert the term into a permanent policy, so you don't have to wait for things to get better before you can get an insurance. So if you want more information about that, you can comment below. And one of my agent, I'm actually New York and the entire East Coast area. So if you want more information, just comment below, and I myself or one of my agent will set up an appointment with you so we can explain to you and help you pass that. So the number two, the second reason why people don't buy um, life insurance is they believe that life insurance, if you have life insurance, you must die before your family get access to the benefit. So that is only for term insurance. That is only possible for term. If we have a term insurance, you may have it for 10 years, 20 years, or 30 years. Only when you die that your family get access to the money. So that is only pure insurance. But in some case, even term insurance do provide living benefits. So in certain situation, like you develop a chronic illness or you develop a terminal illness, you can have access to your life insurance, a portion of it or the entire death benefit while you're still alive. That's what we call living benefits. So when you sit down with an agent, you can understand all those features. So life insurance is not just paying when you are died. It's a main purpose when you die, your family receive the procedure so that they can help themselves and to replace your lost income. But when you are alive, we have something that is called living benefit that you yourself can actually have access to. So it's important that we know about it. More importantly, when it comes to permanent insurance or whole life insurance or permanent insurance comes with the cash value accumulation. So they actually know that. If you don't know that, you keep saying that, oh, I don't want to have life insurance because it's only when I die that somebody get the money. How about me? So life insurance is the most selfish actor you can ever come with. But you have that possibility as well with the living benefit and the cash value accumulation that you can actually loan money from your cash value whole life when things get tight, or you have access to it as a living benefit when you develop certain critical or chronic condition, and you can actually even surrender the policy at any time, and depending on how much you have in the cash value, and you get the entire cash value for yourself. So it's important that you get to know that life insurance does not have to be only when you die that somebody collect the it comes with a living benefit, especially the permanent one. It comes with cash value accumulation that you can use at a certain time for certain situation. And the number three reason why people don't buy life insurance is because nobody actually sit down with them and explain how life insurance works. So that's the reason why I've been actually calling on people to join this industry. Today we lack agent that going out there and talk about life insurance. You see the baby boomers and the senior citizen, have this advantage that in their era, people always go and knock on their door and talk about life insurance and retirement planning, and they have a plan in place. Not all of them, but mostly they have plan in place. So when they die, money is gonna be transferred to the next generation. But is this we need more financial advisors? So people don't buy life insurance because nobody is coming to sit down with them. People are going out there on the internet wanting to get insurance, but they cannot get it. So somebody has to sit down with them. That's why we need more people in the industry to go out there and sit down with people and explain. So if you're one of those people that nobody sit down with you to explain how life insurance work, I want to be that guy for you. So you can comment below. You can share it with anybody that you think may need life insurance, but they're not getting it simply because nobody is sitting down with them. I want to be your guy. Share this message, comment below and let me know. And wherever you are, and we can set up an appointment, whether in person or through the technology. And I take that less than a week, you should have your coverage. So again, another reason why people don't have life insurance is simply because nobody is sitting down with them to explain how it works. But life insurance is not something you wake up tomorrow morning and then you say, hey, I want to buy life insurance. Life insurance is always sold. So somebody needs to sit down with you. So if that's you and you're not having anybody sitting down with you, that's the reason why you don't have life insurance, but you do love your family and you want to protect them. Comment below and I'll reach out to you. And I myself or some of my agent can definitely reach out to you and sit down, explain to you how we work, and you're gonna get a plan to get started. Today we even have a plan. We have a life insurance plan that is called return of premium. People don't want to have life insurance because they think it's expensive or somebody is not sitting down with them. I'm letting you know we have a plan that is called return of premium, which is more likely you're getting the life insurance, but for after a certain period of time, if you don't die, all the premium that you pay, whether this be for 20, 25, or 30 years, we give all the premium back to you. So basically, you're saving money by getting the protection in case something happened to you prematurely. If something doesn't happen prematurely and your kids are grown up, you collect all the money that you pay for maybe 20, 30 years. Right, so that is my thought in recapitulation. I talked today about the top 3 reasons why people don't buy life insurance. Number 1 being they think it's too expensive, but I'm telling you it's not that expensive because you have different options. Permanent life insurance may be a little expensive because of the cash value and the living benefit that is entitled to it. But pure insurance as a term or temporary is very, very inexpensive. So when you sit down with an agent, they can explain to you and you can definitely protect your family. The number 2 reason why people don't buy life insurance is they think they have to die before getting access to the money. That is not true. Life insurance, when it comes to term, certain company, they only give you the money. They only pay your family when you pass, but certain companies do offer living benefit as well. And if you're not interested about just having pure insurance, then go for the permanent that come with cash value and living benefit that allow you to get access to the money while you're still alive. And the third reason why people don't buy life insurance is because nobody is sitting down with them to explain really how it works. So if that is your case, I'm available. I have a team from New York, about 30 people that can definitely reach out to you and explain to you how it really works. And you start from wherever you want. You can start with a term with the possibility of converting it into a whole life as well. All right. Thank you for listening and watching. This is my first YouTube live presentation. If you didn't watch this live, enjoy it, comment below and share so other people can discover it as well. That's my time. Christian Adama. God bless you. Bye-bye.